All right, you guys, so we have our tapestry. It looks pretty cool. That's the front, that's the back. The string obviously comes off as I'm squeezing it and rinsing it, so I took all of that off, so we literally just have 3 rubber bands holding this thing. So we're just gonna start. If you don't know what muck is, it's kind of, so you see it in the video, but you're literally ice dyeing it like normal, except instead of on an elevated rack, it's just down in the bottom of a tub, no rack on the bottom. You put your dye on like normal and just dump ice on top of it, and then it sits literally in the muck. And everybody that I know says trust the muck and do not move it at all. Put it in a spot where you're not going to touch it, because if you move it, it's going to get messed up. So don't touch it. All right, so this part I feel like would be super awesome, so I'm going to do this. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. All right, this is ready to open. So that's down. All right, here we go. Ooh. Pretty awesome tapestry. So I was going for, you know, a random rainbow, but not typical rainbow colors, you know what I'm saying? So in case you don't know, I do have a website. It's www.riahstieDye.com. Tapestries like this one are up there now. So there's tapestries, t-shirts, drawstring backpacks. If nobody snatches this one will be up there as well. So hit me up on there. Also, if you want a custom order on the contact us page, it emails me directly and I email you back. So thank you so much for watching. Happy tie-dyeing.